Today we're adding a cool pixelated blur transition using the Mosaic effect. It's a simple way to give your video a glitchy or digital vibe, perfect for tech edits or creative cuts. Let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure you've placed two clips side by side on the timeline. Next, tap the white transition box between the clips. This opens up CapCut's transition library. From here, scroll across the categories until you find the one labeled blur. Tap on that. Now look for the transition called Mosaic. When you tap on it, you'll see it adds a pixelated effect between the two clips, almost like a digital sensor or blur. You can use the duration slider at the bottom to make the transition faster or slower, short for quick cuts, or longer for a dramatic pixel shift. Once you're happy with the preview, tap the check mark to apply the effect. And that's it. You've successfully added a pixelated mosaic blur transition in CapCut Mobile. If you liked this tip, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fast and easy CapCut tutorials.